This is Dom with Auto Lockout Guy. We have a 2018 Ford Focus, all keys lost situation. We're going to use this HU101 to leashy and pick the lock so we can decode it and cut a key for it, then program. Okay, finally picked the lock. Right, so let's decode it. Okay, so we got the key in there. That's the code right there. We're gonna hit cut key. Preview, see how preview look. Okay, cut. Okay, so we programmed the key. Well, not programmed the key, we cut the key. So it should work in the door. Back. Unlock, actually. Lock, unlock, unlock, unlock.